Hello my dear students, welcome to the Sunrise Education Odisha. आज आम पढ़ा वॉइस चेंज। वॉइस चेंज अर्थ वाच्य परिवर्तन। वाच्य परिवर्तन कौन ना आम ओडिया रे कहूचे मु आंबटीए खाऊअछि, मु आंबटीए खाऊअछि। ताको वाच्य परिवर्तन कले आंबटीए मो द्वारा खिया हेउछि, आंबटी मो द्वारा खिया हेउछि। माँ भात रांधुछंती, भात माँ द्वारा रंधा हेउछि। मु प्रतिदिन सेउटिए खाए, मु प्रतिदिन सेउटिए खाए। सेउटिए मो द्वारा प्रतिदिन खिया जाए, खिया जाए। आम्भे माने गाई को पूजा करूँ, आम्भे माने गाई को पूजा करूँ। गाई आम्भ मान द्वारा पूजा करा जाए। तेणु ये आम लक्ष्य करचे गोटे वाक्यर गोटे क्रियापदर किभली परिवर्तन होउछि, क्रियापदर किपरि परिवर्तन होउछि, कर्ता अनुसार एठी क्रियापदर किभली परिवर्तन होउछि। जेमति कहली मु वर्तमान तुमको इंग्लिश पढ़ाउछि, मु तुमको इंग्लिश पढ़ाउछि। तुम्हें माने इंग्लिश पढ़ुअछ, मु पढ़ाउछि इंग्लिश पढ़ाउछि, इंग्लिश तुम्हें माने पढ़ुअछ। तेणु एठी जो द्वारा लागिला, द्वारा लागी करी एठी वाक्यटी परिवर्तन होउछि। तेणु एठी आमे ताको कर्तृवाच्य आ कर्मवाच्य बोली आमे कहूछे। तेणु आमे पढ़िबा वाच्य परिवर्तन, वॉइस चेंज। So open your notebook and write down voice change or voice, voice, voice change, वाच्य परिवर्तन, वाच्य परिवर्तन। मुख्यतः वाक्य क्रिया क्रियापदर परिवर्तन होउछि। तेबे उदाहरण उदाहरण दूछि, आई ईट ए मैंगो, आई ईट ए मैंगो। मु आंबटीए खाए, मु आंबटीए खाए। आंबटीए मो द्वारा खिया जाए। सो ग्राफिकली, ग्राफिकली वी कैन डिनोट इट, ग्राफिकली, ग्राफिकली वी कैन डिनोट इट, graphically. Here you notice I is the subject, I is the subject or nominative case आम कहे करके कर्ता कारक। Here I is the subject or nominative case, कर्ता कारक। I eat, eat है आमर verb क्रियापद। I eat ए मैंगो, ए मैंगो इज ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट कर्मपद। ऑब्जेक्ट माने ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ है कर्मपद। एंड वॉइस चेंज रिलेटेड विथ द टेंस, दोज हु हैव नॉट टेंस। सो व्हेन वी आर लर्निंग वॉइस चेंज एट दैट टाइम यू कैन लर्न टेंस ऑल्सो। So I eat a mango, it is present simple, present simple। मु आंबटीए खाए, मु प्रतिदिन आंबटीए खाए। I eat a mango। Mother cooks food every day, father goes to office every day, father reads the newspaper every day। So there are many examples of present simple। So here you look, I eat a mango. Subject eat है verb, ये mango है object. Verb पर जो पदटा आसला ताको कर्म पद कहा जाए. Verb पर एठी हमरो ये mango टा एठी object अछि. मु आंबोटीए खाए, एटा प्रेजेंट सिंपल है. मु प्रतिदिन आंबोटीए खाए, सेवटीए खाए, मु प्रतिदिन रुटी खाए, मु प्रतिदिन रुटी खाए. बापा प्रतिदिन खबर कागज पढ़ती. Like this, there are many examples. So graphically we can denote the voice change active to passive. Active to passive. I eat a mango, it is active voice. It is active voice. कर्तृवाच्य, कर्तृवाच्य. जिते आम कर्ता पर एम्फासिस दूचे. प्रथम कर्ता आज आई इट ए मैंगो. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ए मैंगो. सो इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस. कर्ता फास्ट दूचे, इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस. सो व्हेन यू चेंज इनटू पैसिव, ऑब्जेक्ट कम टू द सब्जेक्ट पोजीशन. ऑब्जेक्ट कम्स टू द सब्जेक्ट पोजीशन एंड सब्जेक्ट कम्स टू द ऑब्जेक्ट पोजीशन. ऑब्जेक्ट पोजीशन. सो ये मैंगो आंबोटे मो द्वारा खिया जाए. आई इट ए मैंगो, मु आंबोटे खाए, आंबोटे मो द्वारा खिया जाए. ये मैंगो इज इटेन, एंड मैंगो इज इटेन बाय मी. मैंगो ये ऑब्जेक्ट आसीगला फर्स्ट पोजीशन को. इज एज इट इज प्रेजेंट सिंपल, हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज, ईट V3, eat at eaten. So in passive voice, when you change active to passive, the verb always come V3, always comes in V3 in passive voice. Eat at eaten, go went gone, play played played. So a mango is eaten by me. Me is objective case. Object of I, me. Object of I is me. It is objective case. Me simply we say object कर्म पद और objective case कर्म कारक. एटी I is subject और nominative case आम कहे. So mango is eaten by me. आंबोटी मो द्वारा खिया जाए, आंबोटी मो द्वारा खिया जाए. ओके, like this. We father reads the newspaper. बापा खबर कागज पढ़ती. फादर रीड्स द न्यूज़पेपर. एवरीडे. बापा प्रतिदिन खबर कागज पढ़ती. Here always we have to mark the subject, verb and the object. In a sentence always we have to mark or notice the subject, verb and the object. Okay. So here father is, my father is subject. एटा हमर सब्जेक्ट है कर्ता. रीड वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट है द न्यूज़पेपर. इट इज ऑब्जेक्ट. माय फादर रीड्स द न्यूज़पेपर एवरीडे. बापा प्रतिदिन खबर कागज पढ़ती. व्हेन वी चेंज इनटू पैसिव फॉर्म, खबर कागज बापा द्वारा प्रतिदिन पढ़ा जाए. The newspaper is read. Read. V3 of read is read. V3 of read is read. Read. The newspaper is read. The newspaper is read by my father. by my father, by my father. It is the passive voice. Passive voice. कर्मवाच्य. कर्म ऑब्जेक्ट माने कर्म. ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ कर्मपद. When the object comes to the subject position and subject comes to the object position, that is the passive voice. Passive voice. Passive voice. It is the first one is the active voice. First one is the active voice. कर्तृवाच्य कर्मवाच्य. कर्तृवाच्य कर्मवाच्य. Okay. Next example. You worship cows. आम गाय की पूजा करूँ. We worship cows. Here subject is we, subject, worship verb, cows object. आम गाय की पूजा करूँ. आम गाय मान को पूजा करूँ. The Indians worship the cow. We worship cows. Plural. Here plural. Cows is plural. So when it is active voice, it is active voice. कर्तृवाच्य. It is active voice. So when you change into passive form, object come to the subject position. So cows are, as cows is plural, so helping verb is are. So cows are worshipped. Cows are worshipped by us. Subject of we is us. Nominative case. Nominative case we subject. Objective case है we रो object है us. So it is a passive voice. It is a passive voice. कर्मवाच्य. People remember Bhagat Singh for his bravery. People remember Bhagat Singh for his bravery. तार साहसिकता भगत सिंह को लोक मैंने मन रखती मन रखिंट. पीपल रिमेम्बर भगत सिंह फॉर हिज ब्रेवेरी. ओके. हियर पीपल इज सब्जेक्ट. रिमेम्बर वर्ब, भगत सिंह ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके. इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस. सो व्हेन यू चेंज इनटू पैसिव वॉइस, भगत सिंह is remembered. Bhagat Singh is remembered. Bhagat Singh is remembered for his bravery. For his bravery. It is a passive voice. Okay. So we can take another examples also in present simple. Active to passive. Active to passive. They repair the road. They repair the road. से रास्ता मरामती करती. इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस. it is active voice. They repair the road. They repair the road. Here they is subject, repair is verb, the road. So the road is repaired by them. Always you have to notice the subject, verb and object. As also tense also. Tense also. So it is in present simple. They repair the road. When you change into passive voice, the road is repaired. The road is repaired by them. The road is repaired by them. रास्ताटी सेमानक द्वारा मरामती हुए. इटा पैसिव वॉइस. इट इज पैसिव वॉइस. ओके. सो रूल ऑफ पैसिव फॉर्म when you change into present simple, active to passive, rule is object. First object आसला, active to passive करछाम present simple को. Object plus is or am or are plus V3. So rule of present simple to active to passive voice. When you change active to passive, at that time in present simple, object comes to the first position, object plus is or am plus are plus V3. So it is active to passive in present simple. So then active voice, passive voice. Active and passive voice. ये verb is said to be in active voice. ये verb is said. A verb is said to be in active voice. A verb is said to be active voice when its form shows what the person or the subject does. So a verb is said to be in active voice. A verb is said to be in active voice when it shows the form of the subject does something. A verb is said to be in active voice. A verb is said to be in active voice when its form shows that the subject does something. So it is in active voice. A verb is said to be in active voice when its form shows that the subject डज समथिंग कर्ता एठी किछि ना किछि करूछि दैट इज एक्टिव वॉइस ए वर्ब इज सेड टू बी इन एक्टिव वॉइस व्हेन इट्स फॉर्म शोज दैट द सब्जेक्ट डज समथिंग फिर द सब्जेक्ट इज डोएर डोएर माने जे निजे काम करे डोएर DOER डोएर फिर द सब्जेक्ट इज डोएर निजे कर्ता किछि करूछि दैट इज एक्टिव वॉइस दैट इज एक्टिव वॉइस ए वर्ब इज सेड टू बी इन एक्टिव वॉइस व्हेन इट्स फॉर्म शोज दैट द सब्जेक्ट डज समथिंग सब्जेक्ट डज समथिंग एक्टिव वॉइस एक्टिव वॉइस ये verb is said to be in passive voice a verb is said to be in passive voice when its form shows that when its form shows that something is done something is done by the subject So like this we can define the active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. A voice is said to be in active voice when its form shows that the subject does something. एटी कर्ता किछि ना किछि निजे करूछि दैट इज एक्टिव वॉइस ए वर्ब इज सेड टू बी इन पैसिव वॉइस when its form shows that something is done by the subject. Okay, another examples of present simple from active to passive. Suppose the farmers plow the land in May. It is active voice and in present simple. The farmers plow the land. Farmers subject, plow verb, the land is object. So when we change into active to passive, object come to the subject position. The farmers plow the land in May. कृषक माने मे मास रे जमी हल करंती प्रेजेंट सिंपल रे. The farmers plow the land in May. So when we change into passive for the land is plowed. The land is plowed by the farmers in May. मे मासरे कृषक मान जमी हल करा जाए. ओके, she writes a story. से गपटे लिखे. She writes a story. It is active voice. She writes a story. Active voice. So change into passive. So a story is written by her. A story ए स्टोरी इज रिटेन by her. Okay, it is a passive voice. It is a passive voice. Passive voice. They help me. ସେମାନେ ମୋତେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତି. They help me. They help me. Okay, there is subject, help verb, me is object. So object come to the subject position. Me object I. Me ठी subject आसला. I am. They help me. ସେମାନେ ମୋତେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତି. ମୁଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ପାଏ. So I am helped. They help me. ସେମାନେ ମୋତେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତି. I am. When you change into passive, I am helped. I am helped by them. I am helped by them. ମୁଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ପାଏ. Okay. So these are the examples of present simple from active to passive. Active to passive. Then we learn present progressive in active to passive. Present progressive or present continuous. Change into active to passive. The rule is rule of voice change in present progressive. Present progressive, when you change the present progressive from active to passive, rule is or am or are. Is am, are plus being, being plus V3 add होच. In case of present progressive or present continuous or present imperfect. Example, I am eating a mango. I am eating a mango. ମୁଁ ଆମ୍ବଟିଏ ଖାଉଛି. Here it is present progressive. I is subject. Am eating verb. Eat verb ing is. A mango is object. It is active voice. ମୁଁ ଆମ୍ବଟିଏ ଖାଉଅଛି. ଓଡ଼ିଆର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଆମ୍ବଟିଏ ଖାଉଅଛି. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବାଚ୍ୟ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ କଲେ ଆମ୍ବଟିଏ ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଖିଆ ହେଉଛି. So here I is subject, eating is verb, a mango is object. When you change into passive, object come to the subject position. So a mango, according to rule, a mango is, here rule is object. First object plus is or am, are plus being plus V3. I am eating a mango. A mango is being eaten. A mango is being eaten by me. Object of I is me. Objective case বা object ଆମେ କହୁଛେ କର୍ମପଦ. I ର object ହେଲା me. We ର us. They ର them. She ର object her. He ରେ his, him. Possessive his. object he ର object him. Nominative case, जोटा objective case. Okay. A mango is being eaten by me. आंबटे मो द्वारा खिया हेउछि. It is passive voice. It is a passive voice. कर्मवाच्य. I am eating a mango. A mango is being eaten by me. Rule is object plus is or am or are plus being plus V3. ମୁଁ ଆମ୍ବଟିଏ ଖାଉଛି, ଆମ୍ବଟିଏ ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଖିଆ ହେଉଛି. ଏଠି ଯେହେତୁ ଗୋଇଂ ଆଇଏନଜି ଆଡ଼୍ ହେଉଛି ତେଣୁ ଏଠି ପେସିଭରେ ଆସିବ ବିଙ୍ଗ ଆଡ଼୍ ହେଉଛି. BING ବିଙ୍ଗ. ଦେ ଆର୍ ରିପେୟାରିଂ ଦ ରୋଡ଼. ସେମାନେ ରାସ୍ତାଟି ମରାମତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି. ଦେ ଆର୍ ରିପେୟାରିଂ. REPAIRING. They are repairing the road. They are repairing the road. It is active voice. Active voice. ସେମାନେ ରାସ୍ତାଟି ମରାମତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି. ରାସ୍ତାଟି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ମରାମତି କରାଯାଉଛି. So the road is being repaired. The road is singular. So the road is being repaired. The road is being repaired by them. V3 of repair is repaired. Repaired. Climbed. Played. Combined. So V3. The road is being repaired by them. It is a passive voice. It is a passive voice. Okay. They are cutting old trees. They are cutting. ସେମାନେ ପୁରୁଣା ଗଛକୁ କାଟି ପକାଉଛନ୍ତି. They are cutting the old trees. Old trees. It is active voice. It is active voice. They are cutting the old trees. Here the subject, cutting verb, the old trees object. So when change into active to passive, the old trees are being cut. Cut. Shut. Put. V1, V2, V3. So the old trees are being cut by them. Cut by them. ପୁରୁଣା ଗଛ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା କଟା ଯାଉଛି. It is a passive voice. The old trees are being cut by them. The doctor is examining the patient. ଡାକ୍ତର ରୋଗୀର ଚିକିତ୍ସା କରୁଛନ୍ତି. The doctor is examining the patient. It is also present progressive or present imperfect. Always you have to mark the tense in which tense is it. କେଉଁ ଟେନ୍ସରେ ଅଛି. So the doctor is examining the patient. The doctor is examining the patient. The doctor is examining the patient. It is active voice. कर्तृवाच्य. The doctor is examining the patient. Here the doctor is subject. Examining verb. The patient is object. It is present progressive. So when we change into passive, so the patient is being examined. Examined. The patient is being examined. The patient is being examined by the doctor, by the doctor. It is a passive voice. It is a passive voice. Passive voice. Okay. So she is singing a song. Another example, she is singing a song. से गीतटी गाउछि. It is active voice. She is singing a song. So change into passive. A song is being sung. S-U-N-G. V3 of sing is song. Sing, sang, song. Sing, S-I-N-G, sing, गीत गाइबा. ता V2 sang, गीत गाइला. V3 song, S-U-N-G, गीत गाइथिला. So a song is being sung by her. गीतटे ता द्वारा गाइबा हेउछि. It is a passive voice. से गीतटे गाउछि. गीतटे ता द्वारा गाइबा हेउछि. Okay. So we can take many examples of present progressive in form active to passive. Active to passive. Next we read present perfect. Present perfect. Present perfect. Present perfect. संपूर्ण वर्तमान काल जो कामटा सरी जाइछि. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. रूल है तार ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस हैवर हैज प्लस बीन प्लस V3 प्लस V3. ओके. Rule is object plus have or has plus been plus V3. Example. I have eaten a mango. I have eaten a mango. ମୁଁ ଆମ୍ବଟି ଖାଇ ସାରିଛି. I have eaten a mango. It is active voice. I subject, habited verb, a mango object. हम ओडिया कहूचे मु आंबटी खाई सारी. आंबटी मो द्वारा खिया जाइछि. आंबटी मो द्वारा खिया सरीछि. I have eaten a mango. When you change into passive according to rule object plus have or has plus been plus V3. A mango has been. Mango is singular, so has. A mango has been eaten. A mango has been eaten by me. आंबटी मो द्वारा खिया जाइछि. It is passive voice. I have eaten a mango. A mango has been eaten by me. A mango has been eaten by me. I have finished. I have finished my homework. I have finished my homework. ମୁଁ ମୋର homework ସାରି ଦେଇଛି. It is active voice. Active voice. I have finished my homework. My homework is object. So my homework has been finished. Has been finished by me. It is passive voice. My homework has been finished by me. ओके दे हैव रिपेयर द रोड से रास्ता मरामती कर सारी दे हैव रिपेयर्ड they have repaired we have repaired she has repaired so you can take any subject so they have repaired the road से मैंने रास्ता मरामती कर सारी इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस the road has been repaired by them the road has been repaired by them सेमान को रास्ता मरामती हुई इट इज पैसिव वॉइस they have cut the tree or the doctor has examined the patient the doctor has examined the patient it is active voice the patient has been examined by the doctor the patient has been examined we can omit the by the doctor here and always the patient is treated by examined by the doctor so the patient has been examined the patient has been examined by the doctor it is passive voice okay so there are but we can take many examples in present of a present perfect from active to passive form okay so there is no voice change of present perfect progressive tense रा voice change नहीं okay then next we learn past simple past simple or simple past the s plus v2 rule is rule object plus was or where plus v3 okay example I wrote or I ate a mango always we take the verb eat to learn voice change it is easy process so I ate a mango ମୁଁ ଆମ୍ବଟି ଖାଇଲି it is past simple subject is I at v2 a mango is object subject plus v2 it है a mango is object कर्मपद it is active voice it is active voice कर्तृवाच्य I ate a mango ये mango was eaten by me when you change into passive so object come to the subject position so ये mango ମୁଁ ଆମ୍ବଟିଏ ଖାଇଲି ଆମ୍ବଟିଏ ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଖିଆ ହେଲା এটা past simple ଅଛି ଏ mango was eaten ଏ mango was eaten by me. Object of is me. So a mango was eaten by me. It is a passive voice. It is a passive voice. Mango was eaten by me. आंबटे मोदरा क्या हला. We wrote a story. आमे गपटे लेखिलु. आमे गपटे लेखिलु. गपटे आम्भन द्वारा लेखा है. ये स्टोरी वाज written, WRITTEN. स्टोरी वाज written by us. It is a passive voice. Passive. Okay, active, passive. Story was written by us. The doctor examined the patient. It is active voice. रोगीर चिकित्सा कले परीक्षा कले. So the patient was examined by the doctor. The omit रहिबो. Why? Now we know the doctor will as the patient is treated by the doctors. रोगी मान को चिकित्सा कर डाक्तर माने. चोर को माने धरती पुलिस माने. तेणु सेठी बाय प्लस एजेंट आवश्यक नाही. बाय द पुलिस, बाय द डॉक्टर. जोटा भल भाव जानूचे जे पुलिस चोर को धरे, डाक्तर माने रोगी चिकित्सा करती. से क्षेत्र में आम बाय द डॉक्टर, बाय द पुलिस यूज करवा नाही. सो हियर द डॉक्टर एग्जामिन्ड द पेशेंट वाज एग्जामिन्ड. ओनली इन पैसिव फॉर्म the patient was examined. The patient was examined. रोगीटर चिकित्सा करा गला. Okay. The farmers plowed the land. कृषक मान जमी को हल कले. S+V2 हल कले. इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस. तो फार्मर्स प्लाउड द लैंड was plowed by the farmer. The land was plowed. The land was plowed. Plowed. V3. The land was plowed by the farmers. It is a passive voice. Okay, another example. They watched TV. से मैंने टीवी देखिले. They watched a picture. They watched a picture. On TV. टूरे से पिक्चर टे देखिले. इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस. ओके. सो always you have to mark subject, verb, object. Here subject they watched, verb, a picture is object. So when you change into passive, a picture was watched, a picture was watched by watched on TV by them. It is a passive voice. Passive voice. Okay. So we saw a ghost. हम भूतटे देखिलु. We saw a ghost. It is a past simple, active voice. Active voice. We saw a ghost. A ghost was seen by us. A ghost was seen. भूतटी देखा है ये बाई अस लिखा आवश्यक ना. ए घोस्ट वाज सीन. इट इज पैसिव वॉइस. इट इज पैसिव वॉइस. ओके. शी another example, she sang a song. से गीतटी गाइला. A song was sang. Sang song. A song was sung. SUNG. A song was sung by her. By her. ता द्वारा गीतटी गाइबा हैला. It is active. It is passive. Passive voice. Okay. Active, passive. So we learn to part simple in active to passive. Then we learn past progressive. Past progressive. Past progressive or past imperfect or past continuous. Past continuous. Past progressive. Past progressive. Past progressive or past imperfect or past continuous. Rule और rule है object plus was or were plus being. was or were plus being plus V3 plus V3. Okay. Example, I was eating an apple. ମୁଁ ସେଉଟି ଖାଉଥିଲି. I was eating an apple. It is active voice. It is active voice. I was eating an apple. ମୁଁ ସେଉଟି ଖାଉଥିଲି. ସେଉଟି ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଖିଆ ହେଉଥିଲା. So an apple was being eaten. An apple was being plus V3, eat, eaten. An apple was being eaten by me. ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେଉଟି ଖିଆ ଯାଉଥିଲା. It is passive voice. Passive voice. Okay. Father was reading reading the newspaper. Father was reading the newspaper. बापा खबर कागज पढ़ुथिले. बापा खबर कागज पढ़ुथिले. It is active voice. बापा द्वारा खबर कागज पढ़ा हो थिला. बापा खबर कागज पढ़ुथिले. बापा द्वारा खबर कागज पढ़ा हो थिला. So the newspaper was being लगला according to rule. The newspaper was being read. Being read by my father. बापा द्वारा खबर कागज पढ़ा हेउथिला. It is passive voice. We were repairing. आमे रास्ता मरामती करू थिलु. We are repairing the road. आमे रास्ता मरामती करू थिलु. एटा हला एक्टिव वॉइस. The road was being repaired. The road was being repaired by us. आमन को द्वारा रास्ताटी मरामती होउथिला. It is passive voice. She is not singing. से गीत गाऊ नथिला. और she is not dancing. She here dance is in intransitive verb. So the verb when the verb is intransitive verb, there is no voice change in case of intransitive verb. So she was singing a song. लिख पारिबा. She was singing a song. से गीतटी गाउथिला. It is active voice. Active voice. So a song was being sung. A song was being sung. S-U-N-G. A song was being sung by her. ता द्वारा गीतटी गाइबा हेउथिला. It is passive voice. Okay. So we notice that where there are some examples of past progressive from active to passive. Then past perfect. Past perfect. Past perfect. Subject plus head plus V3. Past perfect. The action which is already completed. जो कामटा जाइथिला in the past. So I had a example. Rule is from active to passive. Rule object plus head plus been plus V3 plus V3. Okay. Object plus head plus been plus V3. Example, I had eaten a mango. I had eaten a mango. मु आंबटे खाई सारी थिली. I had eaten a mango. It is active voice. Active voice. When you change into passive, object come to the subject position. ମୁଁ ଆମ୍ବଟି ଖାଇସାରିଥିଲି, ଆମ୍ବଟି ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଖିଆ ସରିଥିଲା। ଏ ମ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗୋ had been eaten. A mango had been eaten by me. It is passive voice. It is passive voice. A mango had been eaten by me. Okay. So they had informed the police. They had informed the police. पुलिस को खबर दे सारी थिले. They had informed the police. Informed. They had informed the police. It is active voice. पुलिस को खबर दिया सारी थिला. The police had been informed. They had informed the police. The police, when you change into active to passive, the police had been informed. एटी by them लिखा आवश्यक नहीं. Informed. The police had been informed. It is passive voice. Okay. She had watered the plants. She had watered the plants. से गछरे पानी दे सारी थिला. It is active voice. It is active voice. She had watered the plants. When you change into passive, the plants, the object come to the subject position. The plants had been watered. The plants had been watered. Water को verb करा जाउछि. The plants had been watered by her. It is passive voice. They had killed the tiger. They had killed the tiger. सन बाघटी को मारी देथिले. It is active voice. It is active voice. They had killed the tiger. The tiger had been killed. बाघटी मरा जाइथिला. We can omit by them also. The tiger had been killed. बाघटी को मरा जाइथिला. The tiger had been killed. Okay. So we completed voice change with present tense and past tense. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.